Alright, welcome back to the channel. So it's time to change over the HotCup water boiler, Breville. This is our old one. This is 5 years old. Unfortunately now, when you press to boil the water, rather this button, what happens is it trips the power. So I imagine the heating element has actually gone wrong in this. So we've been using the old kettle for a while, but now it's time to replace this unit with our new one. I was going to change units. I was going to switch over to something else rather than Breville. We use this probably 5 or 6 times a day, so it's boiled a few thousand times over the years and it's popped. But today I'm replacing it with this model, which I've already forgotten what the model is. It doesn't actually say what model it is. No, let's open it up and find out. Right, so let's see what we get. This should have the same capacity as the last one, so 1.5 litres of water. A bit small, but I did look at a larger one. However, that one didn't have an automatic switch off for the water, hot water pouring, so you'd have to stop it manually. Not a biggie, but I thought let's just go for one of these again. Alright, this should be a bit more like a kettle, so a bit easier to fill rather than using a jug to fill. There's some instructions that blokes never look at. Right, let's get the box out of the way. So we've got the base here. As you can see, pretty standard stuff, UK plug. Take that off. This uncurls, so we can plug that, unplug the kettle, plug that into there. We want the cable to exit out the back, so we just do that, like so. That's too short. It's a bit annoying, isn't it? Right. Alright, so we've done that bit, we've got the base in, a couple of bits of plastic that hold it in place, the drip tray, so I'm just going to pull those off. Let's move it out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm hoping this has got the water cancel, or the pouring cancel as well. The excitement's mounting. So here we go. Yeah, it's a bit more like a kettle, which is good. So flip the lid, fill up here, close it, pop it on the base. Doesn't seem to close that well. Must admit, it seems a bit more cheaply made, this one. And the pouring and the cancel's on the same button, which is a good idea. Caution steam vent. Interesting. You don't really want to burn your hands. So, without further ado, let's fill it with some water. Right, it's going to go for this. Just knock my camera completely. Right, let's fill this up. I think what I'm going to do is probably do it a few times to rinse it out. Okay, so let's find a mug and switch it on. You on? We're on. We were off, but now we're on. There we go. So it glows nicely. We can. It's a lot quieter than the other one, must admit. So that's what it looks like with the light off. Yeah, this is much quieter, much more quieter than our old one. Possibly slower. I think it's a 1.3 kilowatt. So look at some instructions. Maximum fill, plugging it in. That's odd. Sounds like espresso hot water. Right, lights back on. Let's have a feel, make sure it is nice and hot. Yeah, that's definitely hot. Probably going to do 2 of these and then pour the remaining water in the container away. Let's go again. Pretty simple stuff. It was funny switching back to a kettle. Going back to the kettle was a bit odd. Kettle was a bit of a pain in the arse. I was boiling water at 1 cup on this, and basically it was like 1/4 of a mug. I'm not sure about the frothy milk finish, but that'll do. Right, that is a mega short review video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'm going to do a video on our old one, this one, just to see what's gone wrong with it. I'm going to try and take it apart. I don't think, I've had a look, and I don't think you can buy the elements on it, so it is pretty trashed. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you on another one. Bye!